So without a doubt, where this device absolutely shines, and it's literally what they've made it to do, is just have that out of the box, unbelievable drone experience where you can just launch it off your palm and get the footage that you may want. What's really cool about it is that it allows you to do shots without holding something in your hands. And I've done a lot of drone shots, especially with my travel content. And you should go check out my travel content, absolutely. It's on a different channel, but I'll link it below. And you know, in all the drone shots that I've ever taken as things, I'm always staring down like this, you know, like staring at the screen, trying to make sure I'm getting what I want to see, making sure I'm not crashing into anything, doing all kinds of stuff. You're not just kind of out, you know, looking at the world around you or just interacting or playing or anything like that, because you're controlling the drone. So when this actually does all the control for you, that is a huge win just for anybody, not just for beginners. That's just great for me, especially when it's shooting in 4K. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So I'm going to set it to droney mode. So
selfie shot.
So it's just these two buttons. I know, hopefully that's coming through to here. So I've got selfie shot, follow, rocket, it's going straight up, circle, droney. So circle you should know, droney's going to like move away from me. Look. And then if I hold down one side, I can choose a menu item, and I can switch between the lengths.
10 meters.
10 meters.
10 meters.
Whoops, I went back to the same one.
6 meters.
6.
4 meters. 2 meters. 20 meters.
So I'm going to go 20 meters back, and then if I hold down the other side, it'll switch across.
2 meters.
Oops, sorry, I can't see the buttons when I'm doing this. Put it back to 20.
4 meters.
And then I'm going to hold that down for a little bit. It's going to switch to the other option.
Flat.
I can go flat, it'll just go straight back, or
rise.
Rise. We're going to do rise. Okay, and then I'm going to get off the menu by just holding down the orange button, and then just press it.
4 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
And look at me, and it's doing a tracking shot back. It's 4 meters. I don't know why it switched to 4. I must have bumped it just before I did it. And it's going to come back to me like so after it's taken the shot. Put out my palm. Boom. Pretty cool, eh? All right, let's try another shot.
20 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, you can see me. Let's turn on the recording. It's flying back. Hopefully you can see that going up there. Going back 20 meters for a big tracking shot. And then she's gonna come back to me. That's so cool. Straight back to me, whoom. How bloody cool is that? Seriously, I think it's just awesome. So we can do circle shots, we can do a whole bunch of different shots, and there's more shots available to you once you get into remote control as well. But like, let's try the selfie mode, so we'll try that.
Selfie shot.
You know why? It's because I
Low
did
angle and full.
one set, that's why. So let's go across to one set.
2 sets. 3 sets.
3 sets. And then I'll go across here.
Full. Wide. High angle and wide.
Let's do high angle and wide. All right.
High angle and wide. Selfie shot. 3,
2, 1. It's really quite windy at the moment too. So I don't know if you can see that right now. It's got it's angled like that because it's trying to keep the gimbal straight, and the wind's howling across the top of it. I love this thing. So cool, huh? So yeah, that's a kind of some real world, just basic, without any sort of remote control, just being able to do whatever I want. And you can kind of then use the remote, set on active, or you can set on follow. Let's do that. We'll do follow. Go into the menu.
Rear. Rear left.
Rear left.
Left. Front left. Left. Rear left. Left.
Let's just do the left. Let's see if we can stay to the side of me. See if we can work that out. Okay, and then
Close. Far. Medium.
medium distance.
Low angle. Flat. Low angle. Low angle.
Oh,
Flat. High angle.
high angle. Okay, so that's what we're going to try and do. All right,
Left. Follow. 3,
2.
2, 1.
There we go, it's following me. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you, this time, I'm going to show you how the gestures will work. So, got it set to just follow me from the front, so we'll just launch it. Oh,
Front. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
gets a look at me, starts recording, backs off, right? Now as soon as I put up my palm, the light's going to go blue, and now I can tell it what to do. I can tell it to go up, I can tell it to go down. So you move it over a little bit so you can see it, hopefully. Up, down, up, down. It's pretty, not bad, is it? Okay, and then if I want it to go away, 2 palms, send her away. Then send it up. Okay, and the whole time it's tracking on me. Now I want it to come forward. It comes like that. Like so, and if I want it to land, put up my palm like this. So good.